Hey everyone, Asus unveiled the ROG Tessen mobile controller in May, a state-of-the-art gaming add-on that blends superior functionality and inventive appearance. The ROG Tessen is a flexible option for mobile gamers because of its distinctive foldable form, RGB lighting effects, and broad compatibility with the majority of Android phones. The folding appearance of the ROG Tessen Feng makes it stand out. It folds neatly into a small container, making it easy to take into your pocket or backpack, in contrast to bulkier standard controllers. Gamers on the go will find it helpful due to its portability. Rubber support pads on the controller may be adjusted to fit phone cases with thicknesses ranging from 7mm to 14.5mm. For the majority of Android phones, this guarantees a secure fit, offering stability throughout long gaming sessions. You can charge and play at the same time with the ROG Tessen's 18-watt quick pass-through charging. This feature makes sure that even during prolonged play periods, your gaming experience is undisturbed. Console-quality joysticks with a 22-degree range of motion and an 18mm tall right stick for precision control are featured on the ROG Tessen. A haptic and responsive gaming experience is provided by the mechanical micro switches used at the D-pad and face buttons. The Armory Crate app or the ROG button allow for the instant programming of 2 aluminum rear paddles. Complex in-game orders can be set to these paddles, giving players an advantage in competitive gameplay. With its 7 pre-programmed effects for Asus or RGB lighting, the controller creates an aesthetically engaging gaming experience. You can further customize the lighting effects to fit your style with the Armory Crate app. The ROG Tessen boasts a wired USB Type-C connection with a polling rate of 500Hz, which guarantees minimal input lag and a seamless gaming experience. Eco-friendly appearance principles are integrated into the ROG Tessen from Asus. In an effort to promote sustainability, part of the eco-friendly packaging can be used to recycle it as a controller stand. Users may further customize their experience with the Armory Crate app by remapping buttons, setting up lighting effects, and programming unique features like screen capture and gameplay recording. The Asus ROG Tessen mobile controller combines cutting-edge appearance, excellent functionality, and environmentally friendly manufacturing processes to provide a potent and adaptable tool for mobile gaming. The 599 yuan or about $82 Asus ROG Tessen mobile controller is currently on sale in China. It is a compelling choice for mobile gamers looking for a premium controller with cutting-edge capabilities because of its affordable price. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new mobile controller? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.